You ever wonder what it actually means to increase your value? Carl Jung said something wild, that your worth isn't something you earn, it's something you remember. So, what if you're not supposed to add more to yourself, but instead uncover what you buried? Let me ask you something. When did you start believing that being more loved meant being less of you? Young talked about the shadow, the side of you that holds everything you labeled as wrong, the jealousy, the insecurity, the mistakes. But he said those aren't flaws. They're messages from the parts of you that still want light. Every time you avoid your shadow, you shrink your value. Every time you face it, you grow. Not because you fixed it, but because you understood it. Be real for a second. What emotion do you usually hide? Because you'll think, uh, people will see you differently. Young said, our social face, aka the persona, the version of you built for approval, we all wear it. The confident act, the calm voice, the smile that says, I'm fine. But the more time you spend behind the mask, the more you forget the person wearing it. And here's the trap. Many people like the mask, but they can never love the person you're pretending to be, which is a sad reality for us all, isn't it? Have you ever felt a room and it's like feeling drained? Like you performed instead of connected? That's the persona reminding you it's heavy to be fake. Young believe the goal of life isn't perfection, it's wholeness. Wholeness means you can hold your contradictions without shame. You can be confident and scared, strong but soft, healing and still be hurting. That balance is real self worth because self worth doesn't come from flawless, it comes from how honestly you live. When's the last time you gave yourself credit for just showing up? Not winning, not for impressing, just for being there. Young said, the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. And that's it. That's how you increase your value. Not by stacking achievements or chasing validation, but by bringing your hidden parts home.